Let's be honest, there's no magic shortcut to long-term, sustainable, healthy weight loss. It takes effort, commitment, and of course, a mindset shift sometimes. While the title may have caught your attention, I want to share with you 5 game-changing strategies that will genuinely help you on your journey to lose weight, to get healthy, whatever it is. I think that you will learn something and get motivated by this video. You actually might even be surprised at what they are. I'm Nick Garcia, health and nutrition coach, and my programs around metabolic cycling, metabolic fasting, and keto have helped over 20,000 people all over the world, and I started this channel to help you navigate the crazy weight loss world. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Number 1, you want to eat your fiber first. And when I say fiber, I mean low glycemic carbs. But I also want to talk to you about how to structure a healthy, metabolic, hormone-friendly meal that's perfectly balanced. I call it the 33 by 33 by 33 plate. So you want to have protein, 33% of it, a healthy fat, 33%, and then a fiber or low glycemic carbs, and you can pretty much know what that is. So lots of vegetables, that type of thing. 33% of each of those things. You don't have to complicate it. You don't have to count your calories. These 3 components help stabilize blood sugar, keep you satisfied, and support your hormones for weight loss, which is the number 1 key to the game. Now let's take it a step further. Try eating your fiber first whenever it makes sense. For instance, instead of picking out spinach from your sandwich, which that wouldn't make sense anyway, you could start your dinner with a side salad or roasted veggies. Why fiber first? It helps stabilize your blood sugar, which keeps your body in fat burning mode for longer. Eating fibrous foods like broccoli, cauliflower, dark leafy greens, Brussels sprouts, etc. creates a mesh in your digestive system, slowing the absorption of glucose from carbs later in the meal, and protein and healthy fats do the exact same thing. The result, better blood sugar control and ultimately more efficient fat loss. Number 1, any health or diet program needs to address blood sugar, insulin levels first and foremost. So next time you sit down for a meal, try reaching for the veggies first. Your blood sugar will thank you, and eventually your waistline. All right, number 2, I want you to indulge more often. Yes, I did not stutter. I want you to indulge. Here's why. Cutting out all of your favorite fun foods when trying to lose weight only works temporarily. The restriction often leads to binge eating later, and by often, I mean all the time. Instead of completely swearing off pizza, ice cream, alcohol, and French fries, why not incorporate them mindfully into your week? And also, if you're familiar with it, in a carb cycling way. That's for another video. So by using the 33 by 33 by 33 method, when you start with a protein, fat, and fiber, you'll be more satisfied and you'll be able to more easily indulge because you won't have the guilt or the negative consequence. Remember the 80-20 or 75-25 or 85-15, depending on where you're at. I recommend any of those ranges. If you can eat, exercise, and form good healthy habits 80% of the time, and 20% of the time you're enjoying brunch or a piece of pizza here and there, you're going to see results. You just have to really dial in that 75, 80, or 85. Eating treats after a balanced meal also reduces blood sugar spikes. So think about that. If you know you're going to have a treat, then try to have a really good balanced meal. Here's the kicker, of course. Consistency is key, not perfection. 1 scoop of ice cream will not derail your progress if you're doing the right things most of the time. Ditch the all or nothing mindset and you'll find weight loss becomes more sustainable and enjoyable. Number 3, this one's going to throw you off too. Go to the gym less. Here's your official permission to hit the gym just 2 to 4 times per week. The idea that more gym time equals more weight loss isn't necessarily true, especially if you're overdoing the wrong kinds of exercise or cardio. Instead, focus on quality strength training or metabolic resistance training workouts, no more than 4 per week. And add in, of course, plenty of low stress movement outside of the gym, like walking, parking further when you're out shopping, household tasks. Getting those steps in all count. Strength training, specifically metabolic resistance training, builds muscle, lean muscle, metabolically active tissue, which boosts your metabolism, increases your metabolic rate, making it easier for you to burn fat even while you're resting, even while you're sleeping. And if you don't love going to the gym, consider setting up a small home workout space. You can start with simple bodyweight exercises and household items like laundry detergent bottles as weights, because weights are expensive, But if you think about a gym membership, you could literally get a whole home workout put together for half the price of a year-long gym membership. I have probably almost 100 metabolic workout videos that I shot when I was doing more personal training, and they're all on my YouTube channel, free to use. I get messages from people, from my clients from 10 years ago. They still use these videos. They're awesome, ranging from 15 to 30 minutes. Do three of these every single week. It's going to be tough, but I guarantee you results. Number 4, ask yourself why. If you want to lose weight, start by asking yourself why. Everyone starts with what diet, what supplement, what exercise program. The number one thing you should do is ask yourself why, because that's going to keep you going. That's going to keep you on the 80-20 principle for much longer than choosing the right diet. Surface level answers to this question, like fitting into my clothes better, won't cut it for the long run. You need to dig deeper. Ask yourself why at least 3 times to peel the onion. For example, why do I want to lose weight? To feel more confident. Why? So I can do more fun things and step out of my comfort zone. Why? To build better relationships with myself, my family, and to live a fuller life. See how you just keep peeling it back, because we're complicated creatures. We really need to understand the deep reasons why to get us through the ups and downs. So by focusing on those deeper reasons, you'll find more meaningful, consistent motivation that keeps you going. Even when the scale doesn't seem to budge, this mindset shift makes the day-to-day choices feel less like sacrifices and more like steps towards a bigger life-changing goal. I like to think about it like this too. Think about what you're gaining instead of what you're giving up. You're not giving up alcohol every day. You are gaining more health. You're gaining the ability to burn fat more efficiently. Number 5, stop focusing on calorie burn. This might be a tough one, especially if you're glued to your smartwatch, counting every calorie burned. But here's the truth. Exercise isn't just a transaction. Burning 500 calories on the elliptical won't boost your long-term metabolism as much as building lean muscle through resistance training. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn all day, even while binge watching Netflix, believe it or not. So instead of obsessing over how many calories you're burning in the gym, focus on how much weight you're lifting, how much easier certain exercises feel, and those types of things that are not scale related. It'll do far more for your long-term healthy fat loss goals than the alternative. So if you've been struggling with weight loss, these 5 tips could be a mindset shift that you really need instead of finding which diet to do next. Remember, it's not about quick fixes. It's about creating sustainable habits that support your overall well-being, that focus on metabolism and hormones first and foremost. Are you ready to make that change? I believe in you. Click the link and I'll send you my free 24-hour metabolism reset guide that might help you get started on your healthy fat loss journey.